Hi everyone, welcome to Wayspire. My name is Eddie and I'm your Wayspire trainer for today's session. And today I'm going to teach you exactly how to make an industry level recruiter approved resume that gets you shortlisted fast. Let's get straight into it. Here are the 10 most important points every student and job seeker must follow to create a powerful industry ready resume. Point 1. Keep it one page. Unless you have 5+ years of experience, your resume must be one page. Recruiters spend 6 to 8 seconds per resume. Keep it crisp, clean, and impactful. Point 2. Use a clean professional format. Use consistent spacing, alignment, and fonts. Avoid fancy designs. Industry prefers clean, ATS-friendly layouts. Point 3. Start with a strong summary. In 3 to 4 lines, clearly mention who you are, your skills, and what value you bring. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Point 4. Use quantifiable achievements. Don't just list responsibilities, show results. For example, improve customer satisfaction by 23%. Sounds far better than handled customer service. Point 5. Highlight relevant skills. Add both technical and soft skills. Match them strategically with the job description so your resume passes ATS filters. Point 6. Add projects with real outcomes. Your projects show practical knowledge, explain the problem you solved, tools used, and the outcome. This section is very important for freshers. Point 7. Optimize keywords for ATS. ATS reads keywords, not design. Take keywords directly from the job description and add them naturally into your resume. Point 8. Use action verbs. Start every bullet point with powerful verbs like developed, implemented, designed, analyzed, executed, etc. It shows leadership and confidence. Point 9. Avoid irrelevant details. Remove age, full address, photos, hobbies, or anything that doesn't help you get the job. Keep it professional. Point 10. Proofread twice. One typo can ruin the impression. Check your resume twice. Use tools and get it reviewed by a mentor, trainer, or experienced professional. Thanks for watching today's session. To join our training and upskilling program, fill out the form in the caption. Enroll now. Become job ready with Wayspire.